Hey, what's up guys? So if you decide to get this smart plug, this is how it comes. So nice little small box. Okay, it's Wi-Fi connection, app control, set timer, voice control. There are the spec. The model is SP10, 12 months warranty. You can scan this to get the app. Okay, so this is what comes in. Get it open. Okay, once you open it, get a little thank you, extending the 60 days. So log on to your account, etc., etc. You get your manual. Check it out before you start using it. And this is your smart plug. Power, connects, look just like this. Okay, so you'll grab your plug, put in your outlet, then see it turn on right there. Then you open your Play Store. You will download Smart Life. Okay, that will open up. You will set it up. So now you'll go add a device. So this one is first one. Okay, it's registering. Smart socket, done. There you go. It is connected. You can see it turn it on, turn it off. And then in the bottom, your timer, schedule, random. So that is it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Very nice. Press it, turn on, turn off. Awesome.